Thank you so much, Harshita. Am I audible to you? Perfect. Okay, so before we start off telling you about Randomize, let me set the stage here, all right, with a little bit of a teaser that we have prepared. Now that I've kind of introduced you to what we have to offer, trust me, will be worth the wait. Okay, so now let's get back to the presentation. Okay, so before we start off, let me introduce myself. So I am Nitika Kargeti, Vice President of Randomize, and I'll be here to introduce you all to Randomize and the Unveiling Festival that we have right now. So, about us. Randomize is the official computing society backed by the Computer Science Department. And we were founded back in 2013. We were one of the oldest and one of the biggest technical clubs that our MUJ has to offer. So, one thing that a lot of people might think about is why should we join Randomize? Well, our generation, let's just say that our generation here, we have lots of ideas and we are filled with potential, but it needs to be channeled in a perfect way. And to provide you with that perfect initialization and channelization, we are here at Randomize. We will connect you and make you understand various topics. We'll connect you to the industry experts and experienced seniors so that you can be on the right track. So, there are a lot of things that we focus here in our Randomize MUJ. So one of the main things that we focus on is competitive coding. We've taken up various initiatives all over throughout the year, and we'll be telling about you in a little bit in detail. So that's one of the things. Other things that we focus on are research. We also help you into building your own projects so that you can showcase your own talent in your own way. And well, as everybody, I mean, to be honest, I believe that open source is one of the biggest things that you should be a part of. And we at Randomize here truly believe in it. So let's begin with the first topic that we cover, competitive coding. If you're aiming for placements, then let me tell you, almost every tech-based company that will come here or anywhere else, they will have a technical shortlisting round. This is where the programming plays a very, very important role. Our club has been very active in terms of developing the coding culture of our college. We have took initiative to start various series like a DSA series, Data Structures and Algorithm series, which was an honest attempt at making good DSA resources available to each and everyone, not just our club, but to each and everyone here. And apart from that, we have various communities like TLE, where we are actively helping out various people from first years, second years, into getting into competitive coding and improving their own talents. Okay, let's move on to the second thing, projects. Well, we believe that the best way to showcase your technical skills is to build projects. That is a fact. I mean, even at the end of the time, you need to show your worth, and that comes through our projects. So, the best way to showcase your technical skills is to build projects. I don't know how many of you know that Google, Facebook, well, now they're known as Meta, but yeah, Snapchat, Reddit, all started off as college projects, which later became very top-notch tech industries. So that's why we conduct a variety of technical hands-on workshops throughout the year and help our members to build solutions using cutting-edge industry-relevant technologies. We have even partnered up with Microsoft Learn student ambassadors, and we have conducted various workshops on Microsoft and their technologies that they give us. Randomize also started off, well, as a research club. To be honest, I don't think a lot of people would believe that in today's world, but it did. And here, one of our main focuses also attracts researchers. So we are aiming to build a conducive researching environment and kindling among the freshers and sophomores of our university the spirit of researching and getting it up. We have organized various research conclaves like RANCon, and that bridges, this and various other seminars that bridges the gap between the students and the actual academia scholars. We have had various prestigious guests and panelists from Harvard, MIT, Mercedes Research, Google, Microsoft, and various other universities and organizations. As I said in the earlier times, we believe in open source. And to be honest, I believe that all of the world's best open source, all of the world's best softwares are made from open source. We believe that open source acts as a perfect bridge of what we learn and practicality. That's why we encourage and guide our members to use open source projects and to develop their own projects in the open source environment as well. So apart from that, we also focus on getting you guys placement ready. Because I mean, at the end of the 4 years, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So we have had one of the first events in MUJ, which was the DSS series and Hackcraft, which were the first project-based initiatives that our college has seen. In the DSS series, we focused on getting you guys the best resources possible and giving you guys guidance on how you can go on further. In Hackcraft, that was a project series. We helped you and guided you towards how you can make projects on various domains, like, for example, web dev, app dev, ML, IoT, and various others. And trust me, we're only getting started. That's just the beginning. Here are a list of few of our technical events that we have conducted over the era, last year, in fact. So we have collaborated with Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors. We have collaborated with OWASP Jaipur, the elite cybersecurity organization that we have here. We have also collaborated with Mozilla developers like Kuruvilla George and the esteemed Kunal Kushwaha as well. Apart from that, we have also organized mini hackathons, codeathons, and a plethora of workshops. We've had speakers coming in from who are Microsoft Gold leaders, who were very esteemed members like from IIIT Kharagpur. Apart from that, we also believe in the holistic development of a person. So apart from the technical aspects, we also focus on different things like gaming events, like our Valorant tournament that we had, which was named Medal of Valor. We also collaborated with two of our very esteemed alumni and alumnus, Pratik Bhaiya and Sushant Bhaiya, for the stock market event, Investor Fufa. You can definitely Google them and Instagram them. For stock market, and they helped our students into getting better guidance into stock market. Apart from that, we also have another series called as Rendezvous, in which we connect you guys to different alumni of our institute who have definitely achieved laurels. So Suryansh Chauhan being one of them, who had achieved one of the highest scores in MUJ for GRE. So, being a member of Randomize connects you guys to these type of industry experts, and you guys are in the front row of it. That's few of the things that we all have to offer. Apart from that, that is not where we are stopping. We have huge plans. We are starting off with a weekly mentorship program once the membership drive ends. We also have hackathon team formation and hackathon tutoring to us, you guys, known as Launchpad. As I said, we connect you guys to the various alumni network that we have. And apart from that, we also conduct various research conclaves in which you can take a part of and definitely, learn something about how to get into research. That is one important aspect once you come into the college and if you want to go for masters. So with that, I come to the end of the presentation, and feel free to connect with us. This is, you can just scan the QR code. That's for our website.